The busy road where part of a KLM Royal Dutch Airlines plane fell more than 3,000 meters and struck a car around 11 a.m. in Osaka's Kita Ward on September 23. Hikaru Nakamura, Osaka driver, and her passenger had a lucky escape when part of a KLM Royal Dutch Airlines aircraft fell more than 3,000 meters shortly after takeoff and smashed into her car on a busy boulevard here. The 4.3-kilogram chunk of fuselage punched in the car's roof and shattered the rear windows of the vehicle around 11 a.m. on September 23. The driver, 51, called police and said, "A signboard has just dropped onto my car." Police recovered a piece of fuselage measuring 1 meter long and 60 centimeters wide. The driver and the passenger were not injured, the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport, and Tourism said September 24. The aircraft continued its flight to Amsterdam as scheduled with 321 passengers and crew members aboard. "We regret the incident. We opened an immediate investigation into the cause of the incident," said an official of the Japan branch of KLM in the evening of September 24. The car was struck on the 6-lane National Route 1 in the Nishitema district in Osaka's Kita Ward. The plane part was from a Boeing 777 that left Kansai International Airport at 10:40 a.m., according to the West Japan Civil Aviation Bureau of the ministry, which the police contacted after finding the panel. The part that dislodged from the aircraft body had been attached to the base of the main right wing. The ministry called it a serious incident that could have had grave consequences. The Japan Transport Safety Board, which operates under the ministry, dispatched aircraft accident inspectors to carry out an investigation.